Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So on today's video, I need your help. And the type of help that I'm asking for here is some creativity help. Now, if you're brand new to my channel and you don't know what this channel is about, well, if you come here and look at my videos, most of what you see is tutorials, YouTube, and also some tech reviews as well. But the main thing all of these videos have in common is they help you to become a creator, help you to be creative. So if you've never created before, specifically YouTube content, then I pretty much teach you everything that I know and that I'm continually learning to help you go from no video, no creativity to actually creating your first and many videos and continually coming up with ideas. But at the same time, I myself need help as well, and that's why I'm going to be asking you. Now, on previous videos, I have done this before in the past, but today I'm going to be going over into it in more detail just to kind of show you like the type of feedback I've gotten, and most importantly, getting your additional feedback on the type of content that you actually want and that will help you. So let's go ahead and head over to my computer and talk about being more creative. All right, so now we're here on my YouTube channel, and what I'm doing here is showing you the type of content that I have created before and the type of content that I have created now. And so this is really nothing new for people who have been long-term viewers and subscribers on my channel. But if you are brand new to my channel, then maybe you might be unsure of what you're actually getting. And so if you look at my YouTube channel banner, it has tutorials, tech, and YouTube. So those are like the three main categories, but all of them come together to help you be a creator. So if you've never created YouTube videos before, or you don't feel like you're a creative person, my goal with my videos is to actually help you to become a creator and then to be more creative in the long term. And so if you actually go to my YouTube channel and go to playlists, you pretty much see all the types of content I produce, and I intentionally created these playlists to organize all of my ideas so that it makes it easier for you to go from no video to creating videos and then going on from there. And the majority of my playlist videos are tutorial based, with my most popular ones currently being my video editing tutorials. So whether that's Shotcut, DaVinci Resolve, OpenShot, or Kdenlive, these are the video editors that I know, that I'm continually learning, and I'm sharing that knowledge with you. And so if you've never done any video editing before, any one of these playlists will help you create your first of many videos. And then other playlists that I have are camera gear, tutorials, and reviews. So that's everything that I'm learning or have learned from camera gear. And other tutorials that help are like OBS and Audacity. So that's your screen recording and also audio editing as well. And I also have Geek gear reviews. So this will go over a lot of the gear that I have been using. And so hopefully that could be useful for you. And then finally, I have my YouTube tutorials. And so this is really going through my own journey as a YouTube content creator. So I'm sharing my knowledge and experience with you, because if you are on this channel, more than likely you want to be a YouTube content creator. And so hopefully by sharing my own experiences, then you'll learn that as well. And also at the same time, I do like to share my journey, because I'm not some big YouTuber who has it all figured out. And I really feel that I'm never going to figure out everything. And it's just really an exciting journey for me going through this, and your own journey as well. So those are like the main playlists that I have. And so if you are brand new to my channel and you want to learn all these things, I highly recommend that you head over to my playlist section. Everything is organized there to help you get started and to continually be creative. And so those are my playlists. Let's go ahead and look at some other things that I've done to try to become more creative. And so now we're here on my community tab. Now this is currently a feature that's not available for all creators, but I really feel in the future, everybody's gonna have access to this tool. And this is basically the social media component of YouTube. Now for a lot of people, they have other social media accounts, but I think this is a great way to directly connect with your audience through YouTube. And one of the most powerful tools that they give you is the availability to do polls. And so the most recent poll that I did was, has the 2021 content on channel been helpful? And 46 people voted. I want to thank you for everybody who's voted. And 70% said yes, 9% said no, 2% said neither, and 20% are new to my channel. And the vast majority of people who are coming to my channel, like over 90%, they are new. So at least from this poll, I could tell that my content overall has been helpful. But what type of content specifically has been helpful? So I did another poll before that, and 57 votes there. And video editing is the number one thing that people come here for, so 68%. YouTube creator videos are 12%, tech tutorials are 9%, hardware and software review are 7%, and then new ideas are 4%. And while all of the feedback is helpful, I need more of your help because not everybody actually goes to the community tab and they actually vote. And so this is why I'm making this video, because from time to time, I really need your feedback. And if you are brand new to my channel, then this would really be helpful as well, because I don't really know what type of content is most helpful for you. And for people who are longtime viewers, I kind of see what's already helpful for you there. But if you had any additional ideas or thoughts, I would really appreciate it, because what I like to do with my channel, as always, is I do want to constantly improve. I want to really focus on creating content that would be helpful for you, the viewers, subscribers, and supporters, because at the end of the day, that's why you come to this channel. There's a reason why you come to this channel. And even though not everybody's going to agree on everything, just the fact that you are leaving your own ideas and thoughts will really help me a lot, because if I'm creating content that's more helpful for you, then that means I'm creating content that's going to be helpful for me in the end as well, because I definitely want this channel to be a destination where people can come and they could actually learn something that will help them for the long term. So that is my video today on how I need your help. So any feedback, thoughts, and ideas would really be appreciated, and that will allow me to make better content for you in the future. So if you actually had any further thoughts on this, leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my YouTube tutorials, tips, and thoughts, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. And thank you for your help. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.